Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to our judgment discussion series, and today we are going to discuss about the hijab controversy. Now it is a very debatable topic and many of you might not even be knowing that what is the hijab controversy, so let's enlighten you up. Okay, so the gist of the hijab controversy case is that in the beginning of January 2022 there was a dispute regarding the uniform in the state of Karnataka where some Muslim girls wanted to enter into the classrooms wearing hijab, but they were denied entry on the ground that it was a violation of college's uniform policy. How did all of this start? Now let's get into some details. 6 female students from government PU College for Girls in Udupi were not allowed to enter into classrooms wearing hijab. Now these students protested on 31st December 2021 that the classroom teachers were not allowing them to attend the classes from last 15 days. In the parents teacher meeting, the head of the college developments committee told the students that they have to follow the uniform in the colleges, and these students chose to leave their classes but they did not drop their hijabs. The students filed a writ petition in the Karnataka High Court and the Nation Human Rights Commission. To counter girls wearing hijab, there were several Hindu boys who showed up to the classrooms wearing saffron shawls, but they were also denied entry in the classroom because obviously they were not following the concept of uniform. So this was all that. How did all of this start? Now let's see that what was the take of the government. The Karnataka High Court has prohibited hijabs in the classroom on the ground that it is violation of the uniforms policy. Getting into the details, there were a few questions which came in front of the Karnataka High Court while examining the hijab controversy. The first question was that whether hijab is an essential practice in Islam and whether it was protected under Article 25 of the Constitution of India. Now, the Article 25 of Constitution of India guarantees freedom of conscience and right to freely profess, practice and propagate their religion, but this fundamental right is subject to public order, morality and health. This is not an absolute right. Justice Rituraja Avasthi, J.M. Kazi and Krishna Dikshit ruled that hijab is not an essential practice of Islam. The second most crucial question before the High Court was that whether prescribing school uniform is violation of fundamental rights of the petitioner under Article 21 and 19. The bench of the Karnataka High Court was of the opinion that prescribing school uniform is a reasonable restriction, constitutionally permissible, and the students cannot object to it. Since the Britishers or the Mughals did not bring it, it is being followed since the ancient Gurukul days. The bench of the Karnataka High Court is of the opinion that the government has the power to issue an order for banning clothes which disturb peace, harmony and public order, and no case is made out for its invalidation. The Karnataka High Court upheld the decision of the court and banned hijabs from educational institutes. This was the verdict which was passed by the Karnataka High Court. The students were aggrieved by this order and made a plea to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has rejected the plea of urgent hearing of this matter, stating that there are more matters which are also lined up and shall also take a stand in this matter when they feel that it is necessary to intervene. We have complete faith in our judiciary and we are sure that it will definitely pass a verdict, a reasonable verdict, keeping in mind all the facts, the beliefs and everybody's interests and rights. Thank you. Okay, so this was all about the hijab controversy. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video that it is a very debatable topic. Let's wait for the verdict of the Supreme Court, and till that time we can share our views with each other in the comment section.